I'm back with another episode of Judge Your Mama, Not Me, and today we're making scallion potato pancakes topped with smoked salmon and a Parmesan cream sauce. Okay, we're going to jump right into this thing. I want you to go ahead and judge your mama, not me, because I'm using boxed potato flakes for this recipe. To maximize the flavor of these boxed potatoes, I use chicken stock, smoked paprika, and a few other spices. Now, as you can see here, that thing is full of scallions, also known as green onions. I'm using the Latitude 45 smoked salmon loin, which comes already ready to go. It's even sliced for you. I know some of y'all gonna be like, I like my salmon cooked all the way. Just put it in the oven. It'll be fine. The Parmesan cream sauce is really super simple. I use a little heavy cream, Parmesan, and some black pepper flakes. You notice I did not say salt. There are plenty of components in this recipe that are already salted, so we're gonna balance it out. Look at them crispy edges, even on the potato pancakes, y'all. Look. We're going to go in with that drizzle sauce and that bacon garnish. Yes, I said bacon garnish. I have some chives and dill to put on top. Make it look nice and pretty. Tastes nice, too. Now, you know the bite is good, y'all. When your eyes roll in the back of your head, watch this. I'm Chef Mimi J. Thanks for watching, guys.